So over here, you can see that I have a project right here. And if I were to go around onto the timeline area right here, you can see that there's this timeline. And if I were to click and drag, you can play out the videos right here. If I were to press the play button, the video is being played in a certain quality. And if you want to smooth out the workflow of video playing, then what you can do is you can change around the quality as well. So over here, you can see that full is an option right here. That is because full resolution of the video is being played. If you have a high specs computer, then it'll play out smoothly and that won't be a problem. But if you have a low specs computer, then it might be laggy. So what you may want to do if you have a low specs computer is from full resolution, you may want to go around and choose 1/4 of resolution right here, which allows it to play in 1/4 of the resolution, making it much more smoother. You can also go around onto playback quality right here. And let's say, for example, select fastest right over here, just like this. Once you do that, it becomes much more smoother, even if you have a low specs PC. So over here, what happens when you select out low resolution is that when you play it out, it'll render out only 1/4 of the pixel, making it 1/4 less of a burden for your processor, and it will make so that the playback process for the videos will be much more smoother. And if you want to change that back out into full resolution, you can do that as well. You can go for full resolution right here, just like this, and go for playback quality and select final quality as well if you want a full resolution, just like this. In my case, I got a pretty decent hardware, so you can see that it is playing back quite smoothly. But as I add in more effects, it does start to lag in, and that is something what we're going to see in upcoming videos as well. So that is how we can go around and change out video playback quality and resolution inside of HitFilm projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.